Hi, everybody. AJ Colby here in the Weather Center, and happy Thursday to you. Hope you're having a great day. A little soggy out there, not necessarily the nicest of days, but there is much better weather on the way, especially considering that this is Mother's Day weekend. We would all like to see a little bit better forecast, I think, and you shall see it with your own eyes. So I expect that you'll enjoy the upcoming weekend forecast. It's not going to be perfect, but better than what we have out there today. First of all, we'll have a look at the crib cam, and boy, is that a choppy looking lake out there, looking from the camera toward downtown Cleveland. And there are definitely white caps to be seen. Of course, a lot of cloud cover as well. So again, not the nicest of afternoons for doing any kind of boating, that's for sure. Uh, Not advisable to necessarily be out there, but some improvement is going to be felt and seen, as you shall see here what I wanted you to see, which was this, and that is radar. And you can see the heavier rainfall now pushing through Northeast Ohio. There it goes. Some heavier water moving up toward Ashtabula. They're getting into some pretty decent rain up there right now, perhaps up into Conneaut as well. And my folks getting rained on also have some rain toward Chardon. And as we back up to the south and west, it looks like the rain is trying to lessen just a little bit. I think the trend will be toward having just a little less water this evening. So you'll still need to tote the rain gear on the way out the door. I would definitely grab your umbrella because the rain shower activity will be persistent, although it will not be a total washout into the overnight hours tonight. Here's how it looks from upstairs, from outer space, if you will, looking over the Buckeye State. And there you see the general lack of any breaks in the overcast, and that would include any sunshine. Pretty thick deck of cloud cover now is in place over Northeast Ohio. We'll widen the view just a little bit here over the U.S., and you can see the closest bright sunshine. You have to go all the way into southern Illinois and Missouri and Tennessee. And of course, out in this neck of the woods, some very nasty thunderstorm activity yesterday. Things have quieted down quite substantially. Here's low pressure. It is doing its pivot. And we will start to see an end to the rain overnight tonight, not before seeing a decent amount of showery weather along that weather system that's set up over Northeast Ohio, all of Ohio, in fact, northern Ohio, and back towards Cedar Rapids, south of Green Bay, some showery weather, and that extends all the way east over the Appalachians. Here's how the maps shake out for tonight. You can see the darker green departing here. This is the overnight picture, and by early tomorrow morning, it's very spotty rain activity over eastern Ohio, generally speaking, and by Friday morning, most of the rain has moved out over the Delmarva, south and west into Florida, where some stronger thunderstorms are possible. By tomorrow night, we're still looking at basically quiet weather over Ohio. Look what's waiting in the wings, low pressure. That is moving out of southern Canada, and there are some showers associated with that as well. Saturday morning, rain is back in. These showers will persist into Saturday afternoon, but hopefully the whole package departing by Mother's Day. So the timing, at least, is decent if you've got to have rain coming through. So here is Ohio and the Midwest. This is the Futurecast cloud cover, one of the models that we use. These are mid and low level clouds being plotted here. Mid-level in the greener colors, the blue is low level clouds. And notice as we animate here along the timeline, clouds take their sweet time clearing for tomorrow, starting off with clear skies on Saturday before the rain assembles Saturday morning. This is how the radar is forecast to look. So this is one of the computer models that we use. You can see the showers scatter out by tomorrow morning as we stop the action for rush hour in the morning. Any showers should be south of the turnpike. Those will just be leftovers. Then most of Friday dry. This is Saturday's line of showers and thunder showers moving through Chicago overnight Friday into early Saturday morning. This is about 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. You can see the rain is setting up from northwest Ohio back toward Dayton and Cincinnati. These showers will be in here, I'd say, before noon on Saturday. Tonight, though, expect mostly cloudy skies. It'll be cool, and there's going to be a chance for showers persisting. I don't think it's going to be a heavy rain for everyone overnight tonight, but enough to be a nuisance. 50 the overnight low, winds out of the north at 7 to 12, sundown tonight at 8:34. On Friday, expect a cloud-sun mix, more clouds than sun, especially initially. It will continue to be chilly for this time of the year. That's a good half dozen degrees or more below normal for this time of the year. We're looking at a 60, north winds 10 to 15, sun up at 6:13. Here's a look at the extended now, and there you see what happens. Our Saturday, rain and thunder is possible. Temperature at 62. Best chance for rain on Saturday, again, will be between about 8 or 9 in the morning and 1 and 2 in the afternoon. We'll see how long those showers decide to persist. Then on Sunday, Mother's Day, bright sunshine. What a beauty. We're looking at a high of 65 degrees. It's going to be pleasant. Another pleasant, warm day for Monday. Showers are back in. We're giving it about a 40% probability right now. That warmer high up to 73. And I do believe on Tuesday, despite the fact that a few showers will be with us, will still be warmer yet with a number of 75 degrees. That's above normal. And won't that feel delightful? All right, stay dry, everybody. Tonight we'll be dodging some raindrops, but at least it's not severe weather. That's definitely the best news out of offering any rain. And of course, we need it as folks start sticking stuff in the ground. We are heading into the growing season. Usually we say about Mother's Day for when we start saying it's okay to put things in the ground. So hang in there, everybody, and have a great rest of your night. Thanks for joining me for a weather update tonight.